Now let's take a look at the views interface. So go to Structure and Views, and let's edit this front page view. To edit the view, just click on the edit link on the right-hand side. This is the views interface, and as you can see, there are a lot of options and buttons. But let's start things off by looking at the first column on the left. From title, you can add in a title for the view, and this title will be used as the page title for page views or the block title if you are creating a block. Then from format, you can control how the content will be rendered from the view. From the fields section, you can manage all the fields that will be displayed in the view. And from the filter criteria section, you can filter your queried content. So you could add in a filter to only display published content, or you could add in another filter to only display articles or basic pages. Then from the sort criteria, you can sort the queried content. If you want to display all the latest articles up the top, this is where you will do it. Then in the middle column, we have the page settings. This is where you can change the path to the view, add in a menu item, and also control the access for the view. Then from header and footer, we can add in a bit of text in the header of the view or in the footer of the view. From the no results behavior, this is where you will add in a bit of text, which could be no content returned or no items returned if views can't find any content. Then from pager, you can control how many items will be displayed, as well as if a pager will be used. Then in the right-hand column, we have advanced. Contextual filters allow you to pass arguments into a view. Then from relationships, you can configure the view to display content which has a relationship via an entity reference field. Then from exposed form, you can configure exposed filters. And from the other section, you can configure miscellaneous options. And if we scroll down below the columns, we have the preview section. This is where you can see a preview of the view. So when you make a change above, you should see the changes in the preview section. And if we scroll back up to the top, here you can see the displays in the view. Currently, we are on the page display, but we also have a feed display. And if you click on the add button next to the displays, you can see all of the other available displays such as attachment, block, embed, entity reference, feed, and page. So that is a quick overview of the views interface.